Welcome to Antbot, the world's top 3 major market makers of Binance. There is 3 steps to start a robot. First step is to binding the API of Binance. Open Binance app. Click the More button on the home page of Binance app. Swipe down to the very bottom. Click API Management button. Click Create API when finished entering the text of label API. Click Submit button when finished get and entering the verification code. Select the API you just created. Click Edit, and then click the arrow button again to expand. Swipe down to API restrictions. Check Enable Spot Margin Trading. Check Enable Futures. Long press to copy secret key text, and then click Save. Click OK. Click Submit button when finished get and entering the verification code. Open Antbot app. Click the API binding on the home page. Choose Binance Exchange. Paste the previously copied secret key, and then return to Binance to copy the API key. Copy API key. Paste the API key you just copied, and click Import. The binding API has been successful, and you can start the robot to trading. Enjoy the trading with robot. Start from binding API.